Yeah, that's the quick on record.
That'll do. Right then, cheap e-bike charger. These are about 15 quid off eBay. They're pretty good. This is a 30 amp model. We've got two 20 amp fuses, which is 40 amps. We've got a free PC charger, power converter, whatever you want to call it. I've got my battery to charge just here, just to show you. That's how you power on a power supply. Just connect the green to the black and that'll turn the power supply on. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Bang. Right, so this side, that's a volt. That turns this off at low voltage. That adjusts the amps of the output current. That adjusts the voltage of the output voltage, and then this is the charger. Imagine that's your e-bike battery. 4 cells, 16.8 volts, fully charged at 4.2 volts per battery. Let's see what that does. So we've got 4.5 amps, it's pretty good. And that's managing to charge it, I think, just about. I think my power supply is making a bit of a noise. But don't matter. Right, let's try and charge an e-bike battery at a higher voltage. Disconnect them. Make sure they don't touch because it'll blow up. We want, what you got on that battery there? Is it 48 volt?
Yeah.
So a fully charged 48 volt battery is 54.6. Maybe. Yeah, 54.6. So we adjust this to 54.6. Come on, there we go. So that should charge that battery full. Let's plug it in, see what happens. We'll see what amps we get. 3.8 amps charging. My power supply's about to blow up. That's what you get for using free shit. Doing pretty well, I think. That's it then, there you go. 15 quid e-bike charger that does 3.5 amps. Laughing. Delay.